American.
Where's your manager?
Standard British.
Where's your manager?
New York.
Where's your manager?
Scouse.
Where's your manager?
Welsh.
Where's your manager?
Devonshire.
Where's your manager?
British RP.
Where's your manager?
Australian.
Where's your manager?
Cockney.
Where's the manager?
Southern American.
Where's your manager?
Polish.
Where's your manager?
West Country.
Where's your manager?
New Zealand.
Where's your manager?
Essex.
Where's your manager?
Northern Irish.
Where's your manager?
Scottish.
Where's your manager?
Yorkshire.
Where's your manager?
Spanish.
Where's your manager?
Irish.
Where's your manager?
Geordie.
Where's your manager?
French.
Where is your manager?
South African.
Where's your manager?
German.
Where is your manager?
Jamaican.
Where's your manager?
Russian.
Where is your manager?
Canadian.
Where's your manager?